never ceases to amaze me of what lies over there just out of sight. Sitting on the beach, I love to explore around with my drone. Today we saw this guy swimming around. He's about an 8-foot bull shark. They're pretty common here off the Atlantic coast of Florida. They can live up to 24 years, get to a maximum size of about 11 feet. And when they give birth, they can give birth up to 1 to 13 pups. And the size at birth is 2.4 feet. It's a pretty big baby. It's pretty cool to watch them swim around. I don't know what kind of fish he was following, but it was pretty big too. I don't think it was a bull shark. If you have any idea, make a comment, let me know. Anyway, lucky for this guy, they weren't hungry for surfers this day. These guys look like green sea turtles. They like to graze on seagrasses and algae. They kind of maintain the seagrass beds and make them more productive, much like mowing the lawn to keep it healthy. They're pretty cool. They don't bother anybody. This guy here is a spotted eagle ray. They can get nearly 11 feet long and up to 500 pounds. They're one of the largest eagle rays, with only the mannas growing bigger. Spotted eagle rays are active swimmers and do not lie motionless on the sea floor. They are foraging predators and are always known to eat a variety of invertebrate and fish prey. We had a fun day flying the drone on the beach. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott, and I'll see you in the next video.